Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're gonna be installing the head. We're not gonna waste any time because I'm in a time crunch right now. So I already coated the head gasket, so it's an OEM head gasket, MLS one, and then I just coated it with some copper just to help it seal around the water jackets and around the new sleeve as well. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by doing by obviously putting the head gasket and then doing these 3 different stages of tightening the head bolts. I'm gonna start with 35 foot-pounds, then 70, then I'm gonna finish with 105. So it's seated properly. Just put some even pressure. I'm gonna drop the head bolts in. So what I'll start by doing is hand tightening each of them and then doing the proper sequence for all of them. So by doing so what I'm gonna be doing is hand tightening each one of them. So it's gonna be a 14 millimeter if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna start with that. So what we're gonna do now that the head is on top and aligned properly, we're gonna first of all lube each head bolt, then put them in, hand tighten them, and then do the proper sequence, which I will explain. I'm gonna do 3 different stages of tightening it. So I'm gonna start with 35, then 70, and I'm gonna end up with 105 foot-pounds. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you the different sequence as well. So as for the sequence, the way it should be is you're standing on the intake manifold side, and then you're gonna do that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's the sequence, and you're gonna do them 3 times. And that's literally it with the 3 different stages. So let's get started. So now we're gonna go up to 70. And now 105. That one's not gonna be fun to do. The engine might move a little. It's always easier whenever you have another person to hold the engine stand. In my case, I'm on my own. In my case, I'm on my own, so I'm gonna do my best and to hold it with my foot. So here it is, all installed, looking very good. I also put the water pump as well. So in today's episode, that's all I have. I'm gonna put some pictures with the manifold and the turbo as well. In the next videos, I'm not too sure. I don't really have a plan, to be honest with you. I'm waiting on a seal for the oil pump here, so I can put the oil pan. Once all of that is done, making sure the water pipe is good, the manifold, the gaskets, everything is good, then I'll put the cams, the valve cover, the tensioner, the timing belt and everything. Once all of that is good, engine will be ready to be put back in the car. So thank you for watching today's video and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you and bye bye.